Hi Jay, I'm putting this screencast together. Hopefully this will give you a good idea of what I'm looking for. Now let me just show you my process when I'm putting together these flyers. I get an order from a client, and then what I do is I put their information in my spreadsheet, and I give them a nickname. I give their campaign a name, usually their website, and some details if they're a gold sponsor or a regular sponsor. And then I color code the campaign based on what design that the client wants. So I would like to do this also with this project. I want everything to go to this spreadsheet and save me time, because currently this takes me quite a bit of time doing everything like this. I'll get the order, I'll put the client's name in there, I'll then go to the QR code maker program, enter the client's information, download the QR code, go over to Photoshop, import the QR code into one of my designs, and then save the file, and then give that to the client. So I would like a software that automates this entire process. But let me show you once again my my chart. And this way, hopefully this makes it very clear what I'm looking for. First and foremost, the most important thing about this program is that I want to be able to upload designs on a regular basis. And when I upload designs, I want to be able to automatically create QR codes and have them automatically put into the design of my choice. There's actually three positions on my flyers. There's the client's QR codes. There's the top banner position. So these clients pay a little bit of money to advertise here. These clients pay more money to have the top banner. And then there is my regular content over here. Okay? So as the main administrator, of course, I want to be able to have full control over any content that goes on the flyers. But what I would like to do is be able to duplicate my efforts using the software that you're creating for me. And so I am going to have people that are basically doing the same thing I am. They're going to be contacting advertisers, and people are going to be paying them to go on these flyers. And these people, let's call them, client administrators or paid users. They can upload to the green areas. So they can create QR codes with the system and upload those QR codes to these green areas. They can create a banner with the system or upload their own banner and upload it to whichever design that they choose on my flyers, on the designs that I upload. Only I will be able to upload new designs to the system though, okay? Now once they create the QR codes, I want them to be able to enter their client's information in a spreadsheet type system, like I showed you before, and have that all done automatically by the software. So their client information all goes in here. They, of course, can have a copy of just their spreadsheet, but then as the administrator, as the main administrator, I will have access to all data that comes into the system from my client administrators. So a spreadsheet that has everything on there, all data that comes in, that's just for me, okay? Now, the distribution details, this is the third most important part. The most important part is me uploading designs, separate designs, and having these areas that I can customize on each of my designs. Okay? Second most is having the client administrators be able to do the same thing and then go have all that information entered on a spreadsheet. as a time-saving factor. I want to make this very, very user-friendly. And then everything that goes on the spreadsheet will be then uploaded to a distribution report. And what I currently use Zoho. I create, a blog, and not Zoho, I'm sorry, I use Postures, which is just a blogging website. And I create these distribution reports. So I just manually enter this information, and then I manually upload pictures of the distributed flyers, okay? But this should be pre-populated with the information before it's ready to show the client. And then once the pictures are uploaded by the distributors, then the distribution report is ready to be sent to the client. And I would like to make it very easy where the client's name could just be pressed and an email could be sent directly to the client right from the distribution report. And I could send the client, say, listen, your flyers have been distributed. Here's where you can find pictures of the flyers. I hope I'm being clear about this. And that would be ideal because I'm just trying to completely automate this process that I go through for creating these flyers. And then, I would like to be able to share this business with other people that want to use the system also. And they would pay me a small fee to be able to use this completely automated software that you're creating for me. And so essentially I'm just duplicating my efforts here with this software. I hope that's clear. Let me just show you some of the designs that I have. So I have 4 or 5 basic designs. That's one. Here's another. So essentially there could be hundreds of designs, and I'd like to be able to upload those and let people customize my designs with the QR codes that they put on there, and also with the banner that they put on there. The system doesn't necessarily have to make the banner. It would be just as good if they can just upload a pre-created banner that they have. It doesn't need to be a customizable QR code like that function. So it doesn't need to be a full creative portion up here. It would be just as good for me if they could just upload a JPEG into this area. There's never really any vertical banners, not yet, so I don't know how important that is to have a vertical banner option on there, okay? But I hope this is clear, and I'm going to send written instructions also, just in case you're having trouble understanding my English. Thank you very much.